Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The realtor is all done with the inside, the outside is well on its way. I moved a couple of these shelves back in with my parents. Let's start decluttering this corner behind me. Okay, I'm gonna keep the Type-On 3-spar urethane anchor seal. Everything here will stay. Half of it I inherited when I bought the house. The other half I slowly added throughout the past few years in very many YouTube videos. I'm gonna list the shop vac, weed whacker, lawnmower, and chainsaw on Craigslist now. I put all the stuff on Craigslist here. I also moved the desk 90 degrees thinking it would look better for Zillow and Redfin photos. One of the items I also listed on Mercari because it is small enough to ship. This Osram canopy light was a gift for me, but I didn't know it was so expensive. When I checked eBay, it's $300. So we might end up keeping it because the quality seems really nice. But for now, let's go back into the garage and keep cleaning. That Rex Kruger bench has not been clean and empty in a long time, but most of it I just moved over here. It's stuff that I actually want to keep, but we have some things to donate, some trash I threw away. Let's work on this corner over here. The donation box is getting nice and full. The trash can is also full, so we need to wait for them to take that. I think I'm gonna post photos of this Rex Kruger bench I built. It is how the YouTube started. I don't know if anyone would be interested in buying it, but we're gonna go to Goodwill or Salvation Army now to drop these off. They just took the trash, so I could start tossing these smaller scraps that I probably won't be using in the near future. The problem is this big slab here, I've been saving this and drying it for years. The plan was to flatten it. I even built a router jig there, but it's quite large. I don't think I'm gonna take it to my parents with me and haul it around. The gardener and landscaper right now, they are nice enough to dispose of it for me. So we're gonna move that to the back. We're gonna tidy up a little bit more, but I'm pretty happy with where we're currently at. Video 376 done.